Okay, this is a test. I don't know whether this will work out correctly or not. I have in G drive, I have an AutoCAD D directory, and then I also have an AutoCAD M directory. I'm going to take in File Explorer, I'm going to copy the file, and then I'm going to paste it into the M side, AutoCAD M, and it replaces the destination. So these are both the same files. So I'm going to open up Project A, and then I'm going to go to the Plant 3D drawings, and I'm going to copy a drawing to the project. And since I'm in A, I will go to AutoCAD D. And I'm going to choose the only file in there, I-beams drawing. Open. Okay, it has become part of the project. If I were to open it up, it would look like this one. Flat plan view. So I'm going to open Project B, Test B, and I'm going to copy a drawing to that project. But this one I am going to get from the AutoCAD M. Same name. So it becomes part of the project. But is that where it's stored? No. It's not stored there. So let's open it up. Take a look at that. That is not the same project as we entered. What we got was something that was opened before, but not the same one. This is a different one. And how is that? Well, let's take a look at the path on this. Here's our path for the B drive. And it's right here. It's Project Test B, Plant 3D Models, I-beams drawings. Let's go look in the File Explorer and see where that is. That's G, Documents, Test B. Let's look for Test. Project Test B. There it is. And in that, Plant 3D Models. And there we have the I-beam drawing. The old one, the one we didn't like. So we tried to, our removing didn't do a damn thing about straightening anything out because it already kept its copy somewhere else. It did not even give us a warning. And that's why. Confusion. Because it's kept somewhere else. So when you load or copy a file, that doesn't necessarily hook it to there, because what happens is these files are kept somewhere else. In this case, they're kept in Documents, Audio City. There's Project Test A, different place. Plant 3D models, and there's our I-beam drawings. This one was date modified, but they're different. And they're kept in different places. It's that layer of taking a copy and putting it somewhere else. So removing it does not change a thing unless you remove it, or in this case, let's do something else. Let's go back a little bit. Back to G drive, and now we're going to go to the D, and there is another. That's the one we started with. So let's copy that. Now let's paste this hard way into the Plant 3D model. And it says it can't because it's open. Okay, let's go help him out. Let's close that. Let's try again. Okay, now we're in test B, and we're going to try to open up I-beams. Now that is it does say it differs from the project data. And we need to update the project data to match the drawing. So if we're using Explorer to copy from our D drive to the project directory of Plant 3D models. Now, I guess that could be set in some sort of directory of plant, or where is it kept at? So we must go into the actual place that it is stored. We can do a copy directly over into it, and we overwrite it. Keep in mind that this is where we're keeping it. We might have our project in here, our lateral segments, where our HMC project, stores its stuff, and we can copy it into the M drive, LOD-PSSS, and we can overwrite it. And when we do that, we're going to get a warning right here that it's been updated. The source of it doesn't much matter. Once it becomes a project, it's kept in the project folder. So I don't know where we would find this information, but I imagine it's somewhere, maybe in the options. Let's take a look at that. data sources. Let's see, project file search path. Let's open that up. Oh, that's empty. Working support. Okay, here, try this one. This one here, that's not the one. That's AutoCAD's working support. Well, anyway, we're looking for something. And I'm actually looking for where my project is saved. But it does, let's try data sources. Nope. Oh, there's a whole lot of, that's not it. That's not it. None of these actually say it's kept in the plant 3D. But it is kept in the directory that's made, because when you open a project, let's do this. Open and save. Let's see what this is. No. None of these. Display, system, user preferences, drafting, profiles, online, selection. These are not the places that I would find these things. All right, so here we're going to do something else. We're going to close this. It's going to want to save changes, yes. And let's open a new project. We'll call this Project Test C. Oh, and this is where the directory generates. Here's where it is. When you open it up, this is where the program generated files are stored. So keep a copy of that. And they are also select the XML file. So let's take a look at that. Creation. Next. Here it is. Test C, spec sheets, drawing, plant 3D models. This is where your drawings are kept. So maybe when they made the project, they assigned LDC to the lateral segments, or whatever. Now, I wish I knew where this was, but it's not important that I know. All I need to know is in the path of the file. It will tell me, like it did here. This is the project's path. This is this test B's path. It doesn't matter that these were the source, because they don't care. Once it goes into the project, that's when they care. So if you are trying to overwrite the wrong thing, like say this directory to that directory, it's not influencing it. Not influence until you get into the plant 3D model or the designated file. So let's go into, we open test C. Let's put a new drawing in here, copy a new drawing. And let's go to AutoCAD D, I-beam drawing, and open that. Now it doesn't open the file. And we're waiting for it to make a copy in this plant 3D. I guess what it's doing is opening up another project. There it is. And there's the I-beams. Let's open them up. And there you see the location down here. But you can also get the full path by copying it here. And let's go look at that. Let's type the path in here. We're in Project C, Plant 3D Models. Let's back it up a second. Let's just go back one directory. So this is Project C, and these are all the things that project opens up, including Project XML, which is your load up for that project. So it tells you all the information that is in here. So this is a major rollout. Just one little empty project created all of this. And get your head around all that.